Hi guys, Tom here. Real quick video. If you own a Grom-Clone motorcycle, you probably noticed that something's missing. There's no toolkit. My Boom Vader motorcycle had to be assembled when I got it home, but it never came with any tools. So a lot of the tools I've been putting together and I keep in the backpack. However, sometimes when I jump on the bike to go out for a ride, I don't bring that backpack with me. So I thought about getting a cheap small toolkit that can sit under the seat and be with me all the time. And this is what I found. Let's take a look at it. The case is big enough to be able to fit the tools, but small enough to be able to slide under the seat. It's not very durable, but under the seat shouldn't see too much wear and tear. It came with a set of pliers, which can be a jack of all trade kind of tool. 3 wrenches that go from 8mm to 17mm. Not the greatest quality. However, I'm not rebuilding an engine. I'm just doing some roadside repairs with it. An Allen wrench that actually does fit the riser so you can make adjustments to the handlebars. And a screwdriver, which has a Phillips head for like tightening down those panel screws. And a flathead so I can make adjustments to the idle screw on my carburetor. Now what's interesting is the shank comes out of the screwdriver and fits in the spark plug wrench. And this spark plug wrench actually does fit my little Grom-Clone motorcycle spark plug. So it is very useful. Now, it's not a perfect toolkit, so I decided to add a couple of little small items to just kind of like beef it up should I happen to break down on the side of the road. A set of wire ties, some wire, and of course, can't forget, duct tape. So this is like a little tiny toolkit I put together for my little tiny motorcycle. If you got any feedback, any type of advice, please leave it in the comment section below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.